On behalf of AWS and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast session for our AWS Federal Podcast Series. Take it away.
Hello, and welcome to Modernizing Federal Financial Budget and Spend Analytics podcast. My name is Teresa Backiston, Director of Marketing at cBEYONData. Joining me today is David Schmidtneck and Keith Johnson, two of the founders of cBEYONData, to discuss utilizing CFO Control Tower and AWS to modernize your financial processes. Let's begin with Dave. Why are cBEYONData customers choosing to modernize their financial systems?
Well, Teresa, there's a couple of different reasons why now is a great time to modernize. First, new and available technologies. During the past 5 years or so, there have been so many new technologies that CFO shops can utilize to automate many of their manual processes, which will support modernizing their systems. A great example is robotic process automation, or people know it as RPA. We have a customer that has already saved thousands of people hours by implementing RPA automations.